Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. I just dropped Chloe off at daycare and I'm going to make myself a latte. I don't have a Chloe cameo yet. I meant to get one on our way, when I dropped her off at daycare, but she was being very difficult in the car with her jacket because when we put her in the car seat, she's just in her sweater because the jacket's a bit too bulky. So then you have to put the jacket on in the car, and she was just not having it. And then once I actually brought her into like the fenced area of the daycare, she basically ran straight for the door and then she went inside and I haven't seen her since. So I didn't get a Chloe cameo, so I'll get one later when she gets home. I'm making a latte, did I already mention that? Oh, our espresso machine should be coming soon, which is so exciting. So it'll be a vlogmas of different fun drinks that we make on our semi-automatic espresso machine, because I think the Bo said it makes 12 different beverages, so very exciting. I'm going to do some Costco shopping today because we want to get the teachers at Chloe's daycare just a little like holiday gift, so I want to just have it for next week. I was thinking maybe like a little gift basket. I don't know how many teachers there are and they all kind of rotate, so Chloe might have a different couple of teachers every day, so I don't want to get individual gifts, so I figured just like a group gift would be a nice little gesture. And yeah, I'm just gonna browse around at Costco, so I'll bring you guys along. I have a Pilates class at noon, and then I canceled my other Pilates class in the evening because I'm gonna go have some drinks with some friends. Anyway, I'm going to make my latte, edit some footage for vlogmas, and go through all of my other previous vlog footage and figure out what I can put in a throwback Thursday vlog. Okay, I'm heading out to Costco now. But I'll show you my outfit. On a side note, have you ever seen this area clean? Because I actually do clean it once a week, but it becomes kind of a dumping ground for all of our stuff. So as you can see, I have like a bunch of handbags there. But this is what I'm wearing. It's cold out, it's winter. So this is the hat I just got from Aritzia the other day. Yesterday, technically, I guess. And I actually quite like it. It's very comfy. It's stretchy. I don't feel like it slides down my face. Lululemon mask. Lululemon Love long sleeve shirt in black today. And these are the Lululemon Scuba jogging pants. I think they're the high-rise version. And then I actually get tons of questions about this coat. It's from Uniqlo. It's like their ultra light down jacket. Very comfy, warm, and also is packable. So it comes with a bag, little, bag here that I can basically fold this jacket up and shove it into if I ever wanted to travel with it or anything. So quite like this, highly recommend. Okay, we're at Costco. It's pretty quiet, relatively. Actually, the line at the checkout's really long. So I'm just having a browse, see what they have. They have some color changing cups here. 12 of them for 10 bucks. A lot more affordable than the Starbucks ones. I finished checking out, but when I was putting everything in the car, I realized I got the wrong size of these pajama pants. So I just lined up to return it, and now I'm just gonna go find the correct size. So I'm trying to get espresso beans. So they have this one, which is a company we tried before. They also have a Kirkland brand, and it's apparently roasted by Starbucks. I'm home. I'll show you my quick little Costco haul. Currently making lunch because I have a Pilates class at noon and it's 11:15 right now. Okay, I got this, which is a toy. It's a sensory sand playset. Last time we got Play-Doh, and Chloe really enjoys the Play-Doh, and so I thought she would like this too. She does a lot of this at daycare. It was pretty inexpensive. On a side note, it was on sale. I think it was $5 off. So we might not re-gift, but we might gift it to someone. I guess it just depends what comes up between now and when we give this to Chloe. I also got some pajama sets. So this is gonna be, I feel like, way too big for Chloe. I mean, she's only a 2T, so this is a 3 and a 4. But I've been having a hard time finding like a cute matching like pajama set for all of us. So we might just like roll the sleeves up or something. So yeah, one for the beau, one for Chloe, and one for me. And yeah, just, you know, for the holidays. I did end up going for the Kirkland espresso blend. And our espresso machine is, I think it might get delivered today, more likely maybe tomorrow, but we're really excited about it. We can't wait to try it. And oh, I got some milk, did you see? I got some milk for us. We get 1%, and then Chloe has the organic 3%, which you pay through the nose for, but that's the one we get for her. And I think that's it. Was there anything else I got from Costco? Oh, I got a HelloFresh gift card, because you guys know we're on a HelloFresh trend, and you can get a $100 gift card from Costco for only, I think, $80-ish. So it's a pretty good deal. Okay, this is what I'm having for lunch. Just some noodles and a hard-boiled egg. This is my Pilates outfit. The beau is working from home, as you can see. And always my struggle before I leave for Pilates is finding where my grip socks are. I can never find them. Oh yeah, these are the pants I picked up yesterday from Lululemon, and you see here, I already got them dirty from lunch. If there's one thing you can call my vlog, hopefully it's relatable. Okay, Pilates was a success. I'm gonna go home now because the espresso machine we ordered was delivered, so I'm gonna go unbox it because I'm excited. I'm expecting parcels pretty much every day this week, which is funny. I'm gonna try to space them out so we space out the hauls. I don't want you guys to think I'm a shopaholic or anything. But yeah, that was actually a really great class. I actually think it's a little bit harder than the cardio sculpt. But you know what, cardio sculpt and the class I took is a control 1.5. They're equally tough. Challenging, I guess is the word. Forgot to bring water to Pilates. Big mistake. It is a little after 1 o'clock. It's actually like 10 after. I'm gonna take a quick shower first, and then we'll unbox our new espresso machine. I just finished my shower, and I was just thinking about how I have a little bit of regret not picking up another hair turban from Aquis. So they're supposed to have another 20% off, I think starting December 3rd. But the difference is that it's a one-time use only code. I think I might pick another one up. I miss doing get ready with me's. I used to make that kind of a regular part of the vlog, but since I've now started, I'm checking my work emails, which I know is a bad thing when you're technically on vacation, but I just like to know what's happening so that I'm prepared for when I do go back to work. Yeah, so I think I will do that with some of the new things that I picked up, including the Chanel liquid lip, and then the new shade of Chantecaille Skin that I got. And I'll compare this to the one that I have been using for the last 11 years, which is Wheat. So yeah, I'll do that in one of the upcoming vlogs. I also got my Glossier order delivered today, but I'm gonna try to spread out the hauls, so we'll unbox that at a later date. Also, on a side note, Chloe has been really enjoying her advent calendar, although she gets very upset when I put the big advent calendar book away. So I've decided going forward, I'll just pick out, you know, whatever day of the calendar it is and hand it to her, and then she can unwrap it, because yeah, she gets really upset when I like close the book up and I put it away. I forgot to show you this in my Costco haul, but I picked up this gift basket for the teachers at Chloe's daycare. They had quite a few different ones, but some of them felt like not very shareable, if that makes sense. I'm not gonna wait till Christmas to give it to them. I want them to be able to kind of enjoy it over the holidays. So yeah, I picked this up, and it was the best one that I could find at Costco. In case you're wondering, it was about $50, I think $49.99. And now the moment, well, at least I have been waiting for, we're gonna open up the espresso machine. Okay, this is the box that it came in. The Bo's here, so he doesn't want to be on camera because he's in PJs. It's actually quite large, huh? Or is this just because of all the accessories it comes with? Ooh, it's the correct one. Should we put it on the counter? Okay, this is our current Old Faithful espresso machine, although technically it's only a year old because we got it, not even a year, is it a year old? Yeah, we got it last summer. But this is the original model that we've had for a while, so farewell. You've been a great espresso machine. Oh, it's fairly compact. I feel like it's the same width as it just juts out more.
Not bad considering it has a grinder.
Ooh. I'm currently on a side note emptying the dishwasher so I can put these dishes in there. So this is my favorite part of unboxing anything. Nice. Yeah, it's tempting to want to touch the screen, but it's only these buttons. Currently enjoying my cappuccino. It's really good. I'm just gonna blow dry my hair because I'm gonna have to pick Chloe up soon and then head to dinner. Okay, I won't bore you with footage of me trying to style my hair, but I will let you know that I am actually planning on, I have most of it filmed already, I just have to piece everything together, but I'm planning on doing a video about the Dyson hair tools. I get questions about it a lot actually, because I do have all three now. I have the straightener, the air wrap, and then the OG hair dryer, and I get lots of questions about why I need all three and when do I use each one. So I'm actually going to create a video about that. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, through the magic of video, this is the before and after. So I just took the air wrap and I actually used this round brush. I normally actually don't use this because I am just not coordinated enough, but I figured if you, or I've learned that if you just use small sections, yeah, you can create a little bit of a blowout. So it's not super straight, but yeah, and then you can still see a little bit of my balayage. And I'm also trying that new Chanel lip ultrawear liquid lip, but again, more on that on a future get ready with me video. I'm actually probably gonna get another color because I kind of like it so far. I'm home and dinner was awesome. I didn't take any footage while I was there. I meant to even just like take a video or a little shot of our beverages, but I forgot. And yeah, now I'm home. So I went for 5:30 and I got home around 8:30. It's just so time flies when you're like catching up with people that you don't get to see that often, but I wanted to make a note. So like this lip product is the Chanel Ultrawear liquid lip. I love it. It looks still really good. I even really like this color, so I am definitely going to be picking up another shade. I just have to figure out which one. But yeah, really love this lip color. I also did not get to say goodnight to Chloe because she went to sleep. I gave her a kiss before I left, but I didn't get to see her before bedtime, and I didn't get to do the advent calendar with her, so we'll have to do 2 tomorrow. But I can do my advent calendar before we call it a night. Okay, let's open day 3. It's actually kind of a small box. Let's see what it is. What is it? Oh my gosh, these are so hard to get out. Oh, okay, what is it? Are they Post-its? I think they might be. The Beau is currently brushing his teeth. I think he's using his little flosser, so that's what you're hearing in the background. Oh, okay, they're kind of like little tab Post-it kind of things, and they say happiness on them. That's fun. I know December has already started, but if you are also a stationery lover, I think you would really enjoy this advent calendar so far. So yeah, I'm gonna well, I'm not working. Normally I would use this at work for something, but maybe next week when I go back to work, I'll find somewhere to place this. I think that's it for today. We're gonna call it a day. I've decided, since I missed the Thursday upload, for a throwback Thursday. I think I'll do it on Sundays. So the Vlogmas on Sundays will be a little throwback vlog of some of the footage that I have taken over the past year that I forgot to upload. Well, I didn't forget, I just didn't get around to uploading it. So it'll be Sundays. Sundays will be our throwback days. And thank you so much for your suggestions on the Vlogmas Day 1 video. So I'm going to try to incorporate your suggestions and what you would like to see in future Vlogmas videos for 2021. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.